24 hours, tested 4,178 samples, of which 179 have turned positive, bringing the number of tests that we have conducted so far to 34,884. The number of positives that we have identified in the country to 34,884. The number of tests that we have conducted, cumulative number of tests, stand at 467,677. So that's where we are today, 34,884 positive cases in the country. Of these cases, 162 are Kenyans and 17 are foreigners. The youngest is a 1-year-old child, the oldest is 75. 126 are males, 53 are females. I am delighted to inform you that 415 patients have recovered from the disease. 161 from the home-based care program and 254 discharged from various health facilities where they were receiving care. The total number of recoveries that we have registered so far is 21,059. And we are sad to note that we lost 4 patients to the disease over the last 24 hours, bringing our fatalities to 589. And again, we want to send our deepest condolences to the family and friends of those who lost their loved ones.